Look at this location, man. So this is the Andamans which I wanted to explore. Wow. It's kind of a dangerous point, I guess. It is very steep, very narrow.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.
Okay, so we started our exploration right now. Me along with my brother, Mr. Rasul Gori. So we are heading somewhere. We have no idea where we are going. Okay, so we are planning on going to Chidia Tapu right now. All of a sudden, yeah. That's the plan right now. That's the destination right now.
So we are heading towards Chidia Tapu and come on, let's come with us. Let's come
with the fun ride.
So we are entering into, what is it? Munda Pahar, which is supposed to be a beach and trekking point. So yeah, let's start.
Okay, so we happen to travel way ahead of Chidia Tapu. It's like 2 to 3 kilometers ahead of Chidia Tapu, and then we happen to reach to a spectacular location, man. We have got, look at this, man. This is the Andamans that we are talking about. Look how beautiful it is. Look at this location, man. So this is the Andamans which I wanted to explore. Wow, look at those clear waters, man. So look at this trees. I think a lot of movies, songs and everything, they shoot at places like this, I guess. It's very hot. It's almost like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but man, it's very hot. Oh, look at this tree trunk, man. It seems to be very, very, very old. Okay, I should be careful. Is that a log or a crocodile? There were a few signs at these places where they said, there are crocodiles at this location. But wow, man. Look at this. Wow. It's amazing. So 2 kilometers from here there is a sunset point which is at Chidia Tapu. So we'll be heading there as well. So right now we are about to go for a small trek, and I happen to take some videos of this spectacular location. So let's go for the trek and then see what else lies in front of us. So let's go for the trekking. So already I happen to come here with my friend Mr. Rasul Gori. So he is ahead of me. So look at this, man. So we are actually going inside a forest for a trek. So look at this view. I think I should wait for 1 more hour so that the sun sets a little bit, and then it gives perfect lighting to take the pictures and videos. Okay, I am inside the jungle. Jungle. What jungle is this? Oh wow! So right now what we are about to encounter is a small river. This is a crocodile safety region. We need to be careful. We need to look out for any crocodiles if we are about to encounter some. Oh, are those any eggs or something?
No.
Look at this, man. Oh God. This looks like a small...
What's
the fish, man?
Yeah, that's a fish.
What is that fish called?
Oh, no.
So I was able to find these fishes. I don't know what type of fishes are these. It has got a long. What is that long?
Long nose.
Long nose, yeah. What happens if this comes and pokes you? You should be able to run away from this. Guys, so right now we are at a small, we are actually on our way for a trekking. So where we happen to find a small walkway bridge out here. And if you go below this bridge, there is a small pond which is being located. If you can see inside the pond, See those fishes? Wow, man, this has got a long nose. I don't know what type of fish this is called as. It has got a long nose. If you come a little bit forward, you can look at this nose. It's kind of a little scarier to look at this fish. If you can imagine what will it be like if it gets bigger. And then there is also some more of the aquatic life. If you can see, look at this fish. I think this is the fish which lives both on the river, both inside the water and outside the water. I used to watch this in National Geographic and Discovery Channel, man. Now I am watching it live. Wow, what an experience in Andamans. So this is actually literally we are inside a forest, man. Have you ever seen a... This is walking, man. See inside that snail. I think it's walking. It has got long legs, man. Oh God, what might have been that, man? I just wonder what it is. It is walking. It is coming outside, I guess. Come out. It's walking slowly. Wow, man. It's coming out. It's the size of my palm actually. I have never seen such a big... Oh, I think it is coming out for its food, I guess. I think it eats this fishes, small fishes which are lying on the shore. Oh, it is slowly coming. See, look at it. It's coming for its prey.
Come on.
Okay, you guys. So right now we are about to enter into this trekking zone. So this is called as Munda Pahad Beach. So right now let's go inside. So this is the starting point. Come, let's go. So I got a bottle of water. So yeah, hope this is good, man. Come. Come on, you guys. I'll have a sip of water. Let me hydrate myself first. What's the right, I guess?
Yes. Follow the signs.
Where is it? Oh, right, okay.
So here are some signs, which are guiding us to the viewpoint.
Yeah.
So
come on.
So it's very steep. No, it's not steep. It's very, what we'll say, incline. Steep is
Steep and
narrow, whatever maybe.
Imagine what will happen if you are
Such a place is.
Come on.
We have to go 1.5 kilometer. This is just starting. Come on.
Come on. I have food as well. I just had a bottle of. I had just one coconut water again. So we happened.
I don't know what we call this. It looks like some kind of cactus.
Yeah, kind of a cactus tree. I have no idea what they call this.
I think
we
it's
happened to cross almost. We are halfway through, man.
Yeah.
So we got a stick handy. Okay. I got a stick handy. Look at this branches, man.
Come on, let's move.
Yeah, let's go. I could hear the...
Yeah, I could hear the sound of seashore.
Seashore, yeah?
It's nearby, I think so.
Yeah, of course.
I think we have reached. I think we are nearby.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is what I need. After a long trekking, I need this cool air, man.
Fresh air.
Cool breeze.
Yeah.
It feels so relaxed.
I know.
Come on, let's move.
Let's go. Wow.
See, I got my big
long stick.
big long stick.
I got my short but handy stick.
This way. Say no to plastics.
Okay.
So there is one more sign which is guiding us. Very big long tree over here. Look at this. We are in actual forest. We are in actual forest where it's supposed to be very dangerous if we do such kind of silly things. On. There you go. Still 15 minutes more to go to reach our point. I can see a long path ahead of me.
The guy said, still half an hour more to go.
Yeah, we asked a guy. So
yeah. Wow, man. Tiring. Not easy. You know what, guys? So just now we started doing the trek. This is like 1.5 kilometers trek which we started. And then we started walking. We came on top of a mountain. Now see what I'm going to show you. This is kind of a dangerous point, I guess. It is very steep, very narrow. Look at this, man. Look at this ocean. So as you can see, so that is the lighthouse which we are supposed to go. We should be actually walking from there. Should be actually going on that line. You can see there are some people out there. So that is what I am telling you, man. Look at this view. Wow, man.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I know.
Oh my god, yes, goodness.
So that is what you get, when you do a trek. So start doing the trek, man.
Trek is totally worth it, man.
Worth it. Wow.
We don't know. Hey, what will we go there?
Okay.
That last mountain.
See, that is the point which I'm talking about. You see that? This one.
Oh my god, look at the view, man.
So I started doing this trek. I am about near completion of my trek, and I'm going to show you a view. Like two views. First, check this out, guys. Check this view. Look how steep this is. This is a big mountain. Wow, man. Amazing viewpoint I was able to come across. So there you can see this big mountain. See this ocean, man. If this is on one side, let us go and check across the other side. So slowly, if I come across and walk a little bit in this mountain, I'm going to show you the sun and see. So this is the other side of the mountain. So check this view, guys. This is on the other side of this bloody mountain. Wow. Just amazing, man. Amazing landscape. Mesmerizing. Wow. So let's go. Location where we are seated right now. See, if we slip now, we'll be in the ocean directly. You know why? Check this out. Check this out, man. So after an amazing experience of trekking with my buddy Mr. RG,
Yes.
so we are able to head back to the sunset point, which is at the Chitpaya.
Not Chitpaya.
It's called as, I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this place, man.
It's called Chidia.
Chidia Tapu. Chidia Tapu is the place. From there, we happen to take our bike for 3-4 kilometers. The place name is called as Chidia Tapu. So from there we happen to reach this point, right? So this is called as We forgot, man. I don't know why we keep forgetting this name of places. Okay, from here, look, it's total ocean all around. It's total ocean all around. That's it, man. That's the summit. So yeah. So let me take it. And show you guys, and then from there we'll go ahead and end this trek. Come on, Aji, let's go.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound.
Guys, after the end of our trek, we are heading back to the place we are supposed to go. Right now we are going to the Chidia Tapu sunset viewpoint. So let's go. I'm running. Okay, after 2 long hours of trek, climbing 4 kilometers of mountain, we happen to come back and look at the beach. We are about to experience the sunset in a while. Such a beautiful ocean. Such a beautiful beach it is. So that's it, man. So that's the end of our trip. Sorry, that's the end of our trek. So we're heading back. So yeah, so let's go for the sunset viewpoint and experience that as well. Finally, we have reached the sunset viewpoint of Chidetapu beach, and then so guys, let me show you the sunset. So this is the amazing sunset viewpoint of Chidetapu beach. So we have waited like around 3-4 hours for the sun to set a little down. So in the meantime we did some trekking and everything. So yeah, let's look at the amazing sunset viewpoint. So here in a while, or like in some time, so this is going to be a sunset. There is going to be a sunset right now. So I have never experienced this sunset, like especially coming out to the beach and viewing the sunset. I don't know why I'm not so fond of the sunset sunrise, but that's okay. So it looks amazing. So let me take it in. Take it in. So good, man. So good, so good.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame.